the entry we make at the end of the second quarter is nearly identical to what happened at the end of the first quarter, except that the values are different because the change in the stock isn't the exact same. So at the end of the second quarter on June 30th of 2016, again, we're going to prepare a balance sheet and an income statement and record any unrealized gains or losses from the change in the value, and put on the balance sheet the value of the put option as is going to be defined by the option premium. So let's first look at the passage of time. And so the time value of the put option is now $90. That means it went down an additional $110. So we're going to have an unrealized gain slash loss dash income for $110, and that put option decreases in value by 110. So I could push that over to my T account just to keep track of everything, and I can say, oh, the time value is $110. The intrinsic value now, that market price has changed. The market price went from $80 to $82 right here. And that's not favorable for me. If it's going up, I'm losing out because again, this put option, I gain value if the stock drops. So the market value is now $82 per share. That means I buy a share for 82, I sell it for 85, I only gain $3. So it went from 80 to 82. I just lost $2 times 800 shares by the change in the market price from the end of the first quarter to the end of the second quarter. So I have an unrealized gain slash loss dash income of that change from the $80 to the 82 times the number of shares, the notional amount, 800. Then I credit the put option for the $800. Those are my journal entries. And so we could say the intrinsic value now is the difference between the strike price and the market price, $3 times 400 shares. I didn't put this other $800 in here, I should, so the put option decreased by $800. And so what you'd be able to do at this point in time when we create the balance sheets is say, okay, the value on the balance sheet should be $1,310, and you could add and subtract all of the value of the put option, and it should match exactly the option premium amount.